Welcome to episode 1 of I Smoke Out the Knifewear office. Today we're making Smashburgers. I love a Smashburger. I know they're very trendy right now, but they're not overrated. I think they are very accurately rated. And the reason everybody's making Smashburgers right now is because when done properly, they're very good. When done mediocrely, they're mediocre. So today I'm going to show you how to make a really good Smashburger. About a month ago, I went and visited my buddy Jeremy at Smashburger here in Calgary. He makes what I consider the best Smashburger in Calgary, and he taught me a few tips and tricks to get a better Smashburger. He has really put a lot of thought into it, and so the way he does it, I think, is the best way. Since I started using the tricks that he showed me, I've been making really, really good Smashburgers. So today we're going to show you primarily how to do the actual Smashburger, the patty itself, but we'll talk a little bit about sauce and buns and the other components too. Really what we're looking to do today is to nail the burger itself. You're gonna wanna do this on a flat top. You can do it in a frying pan, but you need a really big frying pan because these are spreading out a lot. Otherwise, you're gonna have to do them in 2 pans to make 1 burger because we're doing a double burger today. What I like at home, I've got a griddle plate about this size on my barbecue. You can do about 4 burgers at once. Today we've got the handy, trusty Vivor flat top that we use here in the office to cook breakfast and lunch at the office. So we have our beef in our handy little Yukumi pan here, all portioned out. For the beef blend, I am not somebody that obsesses over, chuck versus brisket versus whatever, or exact fat content. I pick the regular ground beef at the grocery store. If you can afford fancy ground beef, go for it. I got just the regular ground beef, not the lean. We want some fat content because we are smashing the burger, right? And we want fat to obviously lubricate, to add flavor, but also to add some moisture so the burger doesn't dry out. One of the main things that I learned from Jeremy when it came to making Smashburgers was to treat the burger like a steak. And I can't believe this hadn't occurred to me before, but it's obvious in hindsight. When you make a steak, you leave it out overnight in the fridge uncovered, ideally propped up so that air can get all the way around it. And the drying of the surface helps it to caramelize or to create a Maillard reaction, which causes the browning. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The Maillard reaction happens at a higher temperature than that. And so if the outside of your burger is damp, that moisture has to evaporate once it hits the grill before it starts browning. So by drying out the surface of the meat, you get browning pretty much instantly, and you get a better brown on your burger, which equals more flavor. So I pre-portioned my burgers last night. I put them in this Arnest pan, and I just left them uncovered. I let them dry out overnight. Now you want your grill pretty hot, because all of this cold meat is gonna cool it off really quick. And when it comes to browning meat, preheat is always important. Whether it's a cast iron pan, a grill, a flat top, getting it really, really, really hot, almost too hot, means that once you add that cold ingredient and the temperature comes down, it's still hot enough to cause the evaporation that you want and cause the browning that you want. We've got our Atlas Burger Smasher here. This one's well used, and I've actually seasoned it because it isn't stainless steel. We're gonna do 4 burgers. So we're gonna put them down on the grill like so. I'm gonna start with 2 in case I mess it up. It's feeling pretty good. And we've got a dry grill. It's got some season on it, but we're not oiling the grill because there's a lot of oil in the beef. And again, we want that beef to stick so it browns better. So we're gonna put our paper on there, and we're just gonna work kind of around, trying to squish those sides out and spread the meat on the grill. Okay, oh, that's looking pretty good. There we go. You want it a little thicker in the middle, and you want it pretty thin on the edges. A sign of a good Smashburger is that kind of lattice around the edges. I made Smashburgers a couple years ago when we first got these in a video, and I got roasted in the comments because my Smashburgers weren't very smashed. So this is my redemption arc. Got a couple more burgers on the grill. These guys are getting brown, so we are going to just release them from the grill there. I really like this griddle scraper because it's like a paint scraper. It's the best tool for getting under and making sure nothing sticks to the grill. When Jeremy, my buddy, does this, he's got a real pro technique where he works around the burger and gets it like perfectly circular. But he's also cooked thousands of burgers, so I'm going to cut myself some slack here. our cheese is starting to look soft, right? And that's your sign to take everything off the grill. And we're just gonna set that guy off to the side to rest. And this is the part of the video where I get wrecked on the internet because I know people love American cheese, but I don't like American cheese. So I did one with American cheese the right way, and I did one with an English sharp cheddar my way. Now in a restaurant, they will pre-toast the buns, but for me, I like to do it a little bit differently, honestly. I like to let the burger rest for a minute because it is meat, and when you get a burger, when you get any piece of meat really hot, it tightens up and it squeezes out a lot of that juice, and I want it to sit and relax and reabsorb some of the juices. I will often just toast the buns in the residual grease from the burgers. It's pretty damn good. The kind of king of the smash burger bun, I think the king of the burger bun in general, is the potato roll. They've got a really nice softness to them. They last for a really long time. They're extremely shelf stable. A lot of people really like the Martin's potato rolls out of the US. This is a local Canadian bakery, Calgary bakery here that we've got. But they just got the perfect texture for a burger. They'll absorb some juice. They're not gonna fall apart and crumble on you like a drier bun is. They're really, really lovely. I'm gonna do two different styles of burger. I'm gonna do one the way Jeremy does it at Bastion, or pretty close to, and then I'm gonna do one the way that I normally do it at home. So Jeremy was nice enough to share some of his burger sauce with me, which is, I don't know everything that's in there. I know there's mayo, ketchup, chili powder, and I really like actually the chili powder component of his because the heat is very, very mild at first, but it kind of builds as you eat the burger, which is really lovely. So we're gonna dress up our bun with a healthy amount of burger sauce. I'm a big sauce guy, so add, as much as you like. And our burger is gonna go on there. And when you're looking for a good smash burger, that crispy bit there on the edges is the sign. That's that, they call it like a lattice. It's kind of like a lacy edge. And that's the sign that the chef knows what they're doing. Some nice shredded iceberg. A little more sauce for good luck. And there we go. There is our smash burger. Okay, everybody, it's Matt's birthday. So he's gonna try our first burger. Happy birthday, Matt.
Thank you very much.
Oh, the upside down, that's a good move.
That is delicious.
Okay, good. I didn't fuck it up.
Man, anytime somebody makes a Big Mac sauce, it's the best.
All right, now we are going to dress my burger. Same deal, we got our toasted bun. And you know what, the only real difference here is the cheese and the sauce. There's one thing that I do at home sometimes where I'll put some onions on the grill, and then I'll smash the burger on top of the onions, and that is pretty good as well. You can go nuts with smash burgers, right? You can throw relish on there, you can make your own sauce, however you want. Okay, big pile of lettuce, big amount of sauce. Let's give it a go. My sauce has it's more of a Big Mac style sauce. It's got chopped pickles. It's got mayo, ketchup, mustard, and a bit of sriracha, so it's got some heat too. A lot of people assume that a smash burger is gonna be super dry. But when you do that kind of circular technique, the middle of the patty stays pretty, not thick, but it retains some moisture. It doesn't cook right away. And the edges get, I'm getting bites of them here and there, and they're really crispy. And it's so good. Thanks for watching, folks. It really is that simple. You get that meat, ideally a nice quality meat, get something with lots of fat in it, let the balls dry out overnight, dry grill, heavy smash, especially along the sides of the burger, hit it with that cheese. It's not very complicated. If you follow those steps, you're gonna make a pretty good smash burger, which is what I made today. And if you do it a lot and you keep practicing, then you'll make a phenomenal smash burger. If you got questions or your own tricks and techniques for making burgers, pop them in the comments down below. Shoot us a subscribe if you don't mind. We're almost at 100,000. We might have just passed it at this point, but we're getting so close. So thank you very much to everybody that has subscribed already. And let us know what you want to see next. Get it? Let us know. All right. I'm done. I'm going on vacation.